this morning, while I was scrolling through all the amazing recipes that all our customers tag us in, I came across one by Jenna Louise, and I thought I would make it for you today because it is super simple and really delicious. It uses just a few basic ingredients. So I'm going to be making her Choc chip cookie dough protein balls. I love to make protein balls because I find that they are a great snack to have on hand throughout the week. They're really easy to make, and you really can make them with whatever protein you have at home. So for this particular recipe, we're going to be using the vanilla protein powder. Now you can also use the vegan if that's what you have at home. I've got some almond meal here. I'm going to be using some chocolate chips. I've got some peanut butter, and I'll be using maple syrup as the sweetener of choice in this recipe. Now, as per her recipe, what we're going to do is add our powder and our almond meal into a bowl, mix it until it's well combined, and then we're just going to chuck in the rest of the ingredients, mix it together until it resembles a cookie dough. We're going to then roll that cookie dough mixture into balls, pop that in the fridge to set, and there we have our go-to protein choc chip cookie dough balls.